Editor in Linux like operating systems. Nano editor. In this session you will learn about nano editor, how to edit the text file or configuration files of Linux system or any cron jobs, any configuration files of the software packages. You can edit and do the modifications as you require. We will discuss about few things only about this editor with a very bare basics, how to open and append the text and do the modification and save the file. Okay, let's start the session with this. Open your terminal and here you will see that what are the text file I am going to opening here, that history.txt. that history file I am going to opening and demonstrating purpose only. Earlier we have seen, see, cat history. This is the text is already available in that text file. Okay, now I'm using editing, it's using nano, the editor. I'm using simply the command of nano history.txt. that's it. Hit enter. See now GNU Nano 2.9.8 version, it's already predefinedly installed along with the operating system of Linux, Red Hat Linux 8. If you want to install manually in your system, you simply type m space yum space install nano. Hit enter. If you are subscribed and registered using subscription manager, it will be installed in your system by verifying your system resources. Now here, come back to here. Once we open the text file here, see, this is the text file nano editor, it's showing here, and here the text file, name of the text file is showing here, and the content of the text file. And below here many operations, the facilities like the symbol of shift 6, the keyboard symbol arrow it's showing, it's like also we can say that by pressing the control we will have that key facility, like a control G and control O and control W for varies and control K for cut text and control J for justify alignment if any requirement, control X for exit, control R for read file, and control backslash for replace any if we are something we are giving the text. Okay, it can be if the text is maybe 1000 lines or 1000 pages, we can simply using the replace command to replace all the document, the keywords wherever it's the impact of the name. And uncut text, control U, and likewise options you can elaborate much more. For simply I am editing this document. Now the cursor is here, I'm moving the cursor using my arrow keys, right arrow, and history space 1 2 3 I am giving here. History 1 2 3, I append the text over there on the line number 2, and right line, control O to write the line. It's nothing but saving a document in Windows. Okay, I'm pressing control O and it's asking that file name to write history.txt. Hit enter and it will be write the, see now here wrote 7 lines completely. These are the 7 lines written. Okay, once we will check it, control X to exit and check that using the cat command history.txt. see here 1 2 3 is available here. You'll observe that much of simple by using the editing of the text files here, the basically. And nano, again I'm removing the text of history where I have added, move the cursor to that place of 1 2 3 and hit the delete button, and now it is right side. You will observe that there is a condition, it is changed to modified. Okay, now I want to hit control. Now again I'm using cat command to see that the modification is happened, saved or not. See, it's a saved. And the large number of files also you can able to simply edit by using the nano command. And there is much facilities to finding the document and replacing, such all the facilities you will identify here. like below of the document, and more examples you will try to practice it by editing of the text files and configuration files. You have to practice to identify to write a script of a shell script or any JavaScript or any coding of the cron job automation scripts. It might be very much useful to you to practice these editors. Hope you better understand by using the terminal command of nano editor. Thank you for watching this session. Thank you.